Today we are here with the award-winning MC Barber.
Hey everyone, this is MC Barber. In this video I will be talking about convex edge. What is convex edge? How do we recognize convex edge? What are the benefits of convex edge? And what are the cons of a convex edge? So the convex edge is very thin, sharp, and very sharp blade. So basically what we have here, I have a convex edge scissors. As you can see here, they are round on the outside. They have a hole line here on the edge. It's very thin and very fine. They are razor sharp. And they have a hollow inside. So that's how you recognize scissors that have convex edge blades. What are the benefits of having such a sharp and thin scissor? Well, the benefits are these scissors are extremely good for slide cutting, point cutting, backhand cutting, slithering, as well blunt cutting, tapering, scissor overcomb, or any scissor technique that you can imagine. To sum it up, this particular edge does not limit you to what you can do with it. You can do any scissor technique that you imagine with this particular edge, as long as they are sharp. Now, what are the cons to this edge? Well, this particular edge is prone to nicking and dulling fast. So it gets nicked easy and it dulls fast. So if I was to drop my scissors, most likely they will nick, and then I cannot use them until I fix them. They will dull fast. They don't stay sharp for very long, especially if you are using them on dirty hair and not clean hair, gel, sand, or anything that might be in the hair. So they dull fast, they are prone to nicking, and this particular edge is very sensitive, and the maintenance for this is a lot higher than for your bevel edge, for example. Not everybody can sharpen this particular edge. A lot of people say they know how to sharpen them, but you got to be very careful who you give your scissor for sharpening. The best thing is usually to send them to the manufacturer, to people who make them. They'll do the best job. However, if you give them to someone else, make sure that he's certified in sharpening particular scissor. I will not be naming any brands, but just do a little research before you send them or give them to anyone to sharpen them. To sharpen this scissor usually goes from $25 to $35, depends on the person. This particular scissor, it can be very expensive. Good convex edge scissors start anywhere from $250 or $300 to $800, $900, even $1,000. I think anything above $1,000, really you are just paying for the name, not for the quality. Anything under $200, really I don't know if you are getting good scissors with a convex edge. Mostly Germany and Japan make the best convex edge scissors. I think Japan has edge over Germany. However, there are some German scissors that are extremely high quality with a convex edge. So to sum it up, they are used for advanced techniques as well as basic techniques. They do not limit you what you can do with them. They are prone to nicking and dulling fast. You can't really use them on dirty hair. So one thing that I like to mention here is when you buy, let's say, expensive scissors, $500–600, and they tell you they are made from cobalt steel, they have lifetime warranty. What does that mean? Well, what that means basically is that lifetime warranty means that your scissors have about 40 sharpenings. If you sharpen them about twice a year, which is probably an average, then your scissors will last about 20 years. Each time you sharpen your scissors, you lose some meat of your scissors. and they get thinner and thinner and thinner. Eventually they become too thin and they are not good anymore. If you sharpen them more than twice a year, maximum 3 times, you shouldn't sharpen them more than 3 times. You should not need to if you are using them on the clean hair. I'm assuming they'll be good for about 15 years or so. So that's basically your convex edge. That's my choice. I do use this edge even though it's so sensitive. But let's see, we have one more edge that we really haven't talked about yet. We have semi-convex edge, and I do actually have a semi-convex edge here with me. Semi-convex edge is mixed between the bevel and a convex edge. So basically, this particular scissor is sharper than a bevel edge, but not as sharp as convex edge. More durable than convex edge, but not as durable as bevel edge. Good for tapering. Again, they are similar to a bevel edge. They are good for tapering, blunt cutting, scissor overcomb, layering, and they don't require as much maintenance as your convex edge. They are similar in some sense to convex edge. Here they are round. They are very lightly hollow here, and here they are round. Versus your classic here, your classic bevel edge. Look how flat they are. These are slightly round, but yet they have wide edge here. So they also don't get very sharp. So they are slightly sharper than these bevel edge, but not as sharp as convex. They are durable, not as durable as bevel, and not as sensitive as convex. So that's basically in between bevel and convex. And they also come most of the time in opposing grip as well. Alright, so that concludes different type of scissor blades. To sum it all up, we go to the very first page. Different type of scissor edges. We have bevel, we have a convex, and we have semi-convex. Alright, of all 3 of them, I choose convex. You have to determine what do you do, what do you like to do you like your scissors to limit you, what you can do with them or not, and then determine what type of edge do you want for your scissors. Next thing we're going to talk about is different type of scissor handles.